To send Atok to Trust Wallet, you'll need an Atok account, which can be created using a link that can be found in the description or pinned comment section. After opening Trust Wallet on your mobile device, navigate to the Home section, located at the bottom left, and then select the Crypto tab, not the NFT tab. From there, click on Manage Crypto and ensure that the BNB chain is enabled, which should be indicated by a green color. If it's not showing, refresh the page. Once you've located your BNB Smart Chain, click on Manage Crypto, then select the plus icon at the top right. Make sure it's set to Token, and change the network from Ethereum to BNB Smart Chain. To find the address, go to a search engine and type in the Atok contract address. The first link should be the BNB Smart Chain Explorer. And from there, navigate to the Atok token tracker. Scroll down to the Other Info section, where you'll find the token contract address with 18 decimals. Click the copy button next to it. Return to Trust Wallet, paste the address, and the name, symbol, and decimals should automatically be set. Click the Import button at the bottom, and your Atok should now be imported. Select the Receive button to view your Atok address. Then click the Copy button. Now, go to your Atok wallet, navigate to the home page, and click on Manage next to your balance. Select Transfer. Paste the address you copied from Trust Wallet. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and click Transfer. Your Atok will now be sent from your Atok app to Trust Wallet.